I'm going to show how to clean out this paper air filter off a lawnmower. I actually picked this up on the side of the road. It's got this foam pre-filter, and underneath it is the dirtiest filter I have ever seen. And actually the lawnmower runs, but I find that hard to believe. I mean, there's so much junk in there. I mean, it's piled up all the way to this wire, which to clean this I'm going to have to remove this wire. I'm just going to take a small screwdriver, very carefully bend this up, and to get this wire out of here to be able to clean that. So I'm going to work on this and get this wire off of there so I can get in and get all that dirt out of between the pleats. Got this loosened up a bit, and it's pulled that out. This cover popped off, and this wire is molded up into this green plastic up here, and it seems like it's kind of molded into this plastic down here too. Oh, I was gonna really carefully try and take this apart. This down here doesn't want to come out of that plastic. And the thing is, I looked online, I cannot find this filter, so all I can do is try and clean it. And this isn't going too well, but keep working on it. I don't think I can clean it without taking it apart. I might try and clean this with a toothbrush and take an air compressor, see how much I can blow out of this. It's just incredibly dirty. I might try that because I'm gonna just wreck this filter trying to take this metal off. I can push that back in, and I can get this cover back on there. I'm going to end up having to glue that back on. But I think I'm going to try that. I'm going to take a toothbrush, just remove this really heavy stuff. And I'll go all the way around and clean as much as I can, and I'm going to take the air compressor, probably kind of blow this way and try and blow that junk out, and then blow down in here and blow that out, because when the air goes in, it goes in from this side, then down and into the carburetor. So I'll use a toothbrush and we'll see how it works. And I've put on goggles and a dust mask. They're going to be junk fly out, so I'm going to use compressed air. I've got the air compressor blown up, and I'm going to go crazy. I just want to get that dirt and stuff out of there. I'm going to work from this seam, just work all the way around, and I'm blowing from here out, trying to get that dirt blown out of between those pleats. Got around that. Now I'm going to turn this and I'm going to blow this way and work my way around this other way. Again, blowing across this way to get that dirt out of there. I'm going to blow from the inside out, because when this is on the mower, air is coming in this side and then coming through here and into the engine. So I'm going to just blow a little bit there just to get that stuff knocked out. And that is looking much better. And now I'm going to wash this in some soap and water, just get some of this grease and oil off of here. And I've got some water in this bucket. I'm going to add some dish soap. Put that much in. I'm going to take the filter, slosh that around. I'm going to let that soak for about 5 minutes. Yeah, I've also got this foam pre-filter. I'm going to put that in that soapy water. Slosh that around. Get all that dirt and grease out of that as much as I can. And be really careful. This is really fragile. And I think this one's pretty old too and deteriorating a little bit. Still seems to be holding together, but I'm going to let that sit too for about 5 minutes. Yeah, it's been about 5 minutes, and looking pretty good there. I'm going to set this out, and this foam filter, well, that's cleaned up a lot, and the water is like black. You can see that with that foam no way, but man, it is just black like oil. I'm gonna dump this water out and put some fresh water and then just rinse it to get the soap out of those filters. And I've got some clean water. So gently squeeze this foam filter. Boy, that cleaned up really nice. Gently squeeze that out. I'm going to set this in the sun to dry. Rinse this one. Swish that back and forth gently. There we go. And I'll set that in the sun to dry for a few hours. Before. And this has been drying for a few hours. And, looks so much better than it did. Man, it was so dirty. But I'm going to glue this back together. Some glue on it and clamp it. And this filter is cleaned up really well too. Be sure and check out my other videos.